Huh. Okay. Got the Elgin lathe compound restored with new bronze nuts, nice and tight. That's perfect. So I replaced two bronze nuts. That was a lot of fun. It didn't take that long, but yeah, so this is what they call an Elgin lathe. Probably used in wartime. I got it from Inventor 3, Paul Mueller. Redid the motor and the Worthington all-drive variable speed, thanks to my friend in China, John Hugh, who actually got a bunch of them made for this lathe. Thank you, John Hugh. I have them put away. I put the new ones in a while ago. And I can show you how it works. I got these 3 jaw chucks and 4 jaw chuck that fit in here where the collets go, which are here. These are what they call a collet. All these different fittings here. Boy, I sure love to know the history on this guy. Paul, you know any history on this, or where you found this? I think you mentioned it before, but did you ever use it? I got a number of pieces from Paul, like that lathe over there. That runs fine, this milling machine. I call him Mr. Excello, because Paul helped in making a Gibbs for it, as well as an end piece with his meticulous engineering. It's amazing what Paul can do with machinery. This little milling machine. So, anyway, the Worthington all-drive. Okay, so let's make sure everything is okay here. Turn her on. Yeah. Okay, so here's the switch. Here's the Worthington all-drive. Going a lot faster now. Never wear loose clothing. Slow it down. Speeds up. See how slow it goes? Here's your stock feeder. Off. Beautiful. I use this for fine stuff, small stuff. And it works perfect, except these nuts underneath gave out because they were well worn. Now I have a way to make nuts easily, very simply, for all the different pieces. I got other ones that are worn out nuts up there, but easy to repair once you know how, or know the tools to use. So that's that one. When was the last time I fired this guy up? Should do it to keep the capacitors happy, you know. I do it once in a while because it's a 3-phase. I go over here. Open up this guy. Keep hearing something strange sound. Oh yeah, knock it over. What is it? One of Paul Mueller's inventions. No any angle milling attachment. I gotta be smoking fire on here or what? Probably a while. Oh. Got bed waves. Wow. Okay, so what do we do here, huh? Light. I have used this lathe a few times for big stuff. Load it up. Let's see here, huh? Unlock. guy has a beautiful taper attachment here. Weight of this is 8,500 pounds, shifting weight. And it works just super. A lot of machinists really like this particular model. So what we do is turn off. That's off. That's this converter running down there. So we switch that off. All right. Runs smooth. So it's any machine tool. Gotta be very cautious. There's a video of somebody getting caught in one of these, this size. It wrapped them right around and turned them into jelly. It's a restricted video on YouTube somewhere. Or on the internet, but I'm not going into details. Negative stuff, right? Okay, so we move this guy forward a little bit. We move him back. Manually? No? Oh well. That's okay. Nice and tight. Oh yeah. Nice and tight. Okay, that's tight. Engage that. Up. Always make sure you disengage this auto feed system. Shake it around it a little bit. So it disengages, okay. That's a handy feature. Yeah, this is super tight. If you want to know more about this, there's a YouTube channel with a machinist that runs it most of the time. Says it paid for itself many times over. He goes into details on how to use these properly. Alright, so same with these kind of tools too. You want to be careful, right? Right. Any tool. Well, on to other things now. Since our Elgin lathe is running perfect. Back over here. Oh, what else I gotta do? I'm gonna polish that up. Stick that in this lathe over here. The one I built will handle it okay. And just hand polish it. Yeah, I built this one. Let's take a look. It works great. This one I built myself from a headstock, tailstock, rest I built myself. Okay. Motor came from a scrapyard a while ago. I added this milling attachment here. Whoops. Added this milling attachment here. Like I said before, headstock, tailstock on an eBay. built the rest of it, all of it. 4-jaw chuck. And yeah, it works great. Yeah, like that. I guess I can show you how that works. Why not? It's on a bit of a roll here with machinery. Here's a gear reduction unit. I think of building a power hacksaw. Keep getting my finger in the way of videos, but oh well. Now put iPad down, see? I had it running before, right? Alright, so this is one I built myself. Right. Let's plug it in. Plugged in. There we go. I've done machine work on this guy. Plug. This is my tension system for the belt, flat belt. I use these things. Ready rod for pressure on the belt. And the other day I was using the little lathe here, making those bronze nuts for the Elgin lathe. This guy here got cleaned him up. That only took about a half hour to make that. But still got a bunch of other lathes that get running, like these ones. This attachment is unique unto itself. And what else? I got about a dozen of these guys here, right? It's another compounder. I think he's okay. This one I want to build using this huge, heavy, solid chunk of metal here. Came out of a CNC machine, I believe, from Japan. Free shipping, eBay. Just amount of chuck on there, and I got that piece there. Compound. And the base is 2-inch thick plate. To get around to that sometime and get inspired. Come on, man. Oh, that's my little episode with lathes today. Here's another one. He works great too. So I have a lot of fun, right? Right. Okay, well, 20 minutes of lathe. I make my rounds, you know. Machinery to cannons to electronics. This is off a Cincinnati 36-inch shaper. Very heavy place, but it's very useful. I use it many times for other things. Right? Right. I have about 11 or 10 or 12 of these things. This came from a museum in California. Closed down and they sold it on a gun broker. Okay, I'm going to shut up and do something else.